the education minister, Haruna Iddrisu, this is under you. You can't be working in Ghana and feel Mr. Nice Man. This needs to go to the bottom. Haruna Iddrisu, you cannot tell me Tanka Kwara ya uba. Kabaka said you should just sack the headmaster. No, you will go further. You will keep pressing until this guy ends up in jail. So you, Haruna Iddrisu, this is a test for you. Now, as some way about Towa, me pese account wasem. Yeah, you see. Should I do this tomorrow? You see, Headmaster B, GS Apam Headmaster B, KNUST SHS Assistant Headmaster over viral video with female student. And Usha video now very disgusting. A hard journey. And yet video no a hard journey. Papa na de oyenye, but the rate at which Aquarano, you could see say the Aquara is willing. And what will make young girls at that age see these things as normal. Papa de a pedophile. Only the Ekurobia man go jail and just sack. In fact, he needs to be prosecuted and jailed. Sir, assistant headmaster no, or say prosecuted near jail no, and you're just sacking him. And he said, GS Jones is sacking him, and I end the show now. Then it means another teacher be to back where Sadia no. Now junior and say, oh, where they chimney me. The man needs to be prosecuted. He is a dangerous man. Also called that efiasi. Na obi disua nyansa. Teacher nibi, any headmaster be, and now teacher nibi or shebi be a young korasa, because just sacking this man basically is not deterrent enough. I was said man way yet chino. Your regional court near jail 20 years. Send a bear teacher nibi ti baby or yes idea, because the probability said there are other masters and teachers be a yes idea way or Ghana no a high more than 100 million%. And I don't expect GS to just say this video came out and he has been sacked. That is not enough. And I don't want somebody to come say the young girl did not press charges. No, it's against the law of the land. The little girl doesn't have to press charges before Eddie man will be prosecuted. You don't need anybody to press charges. Ghana Mbrano Estetino, straightforward. It does not play around words. Okay, so we yes sir so could dem. And this is a video Osha now see film. This is an assistant headmaster. So imagine headmaster for the Omoye. We're assistant. And I don't mean to say the headmaster for you bad. But imagine we're assistant headmaster. So I don't agree with GS saying the man has been sacked or the man needs to be prosecuted. They need to prosecute this man. He needs to go to jail. He needs to be in there for like 20 years. He needs to be used as an example. And see, I don't agree with the health minister, the education minister, Haruna Iddrisu. This is under you. You can't be working in Ghana and feel Mr. Nice Man. This needs to go to the bottom. Haruna Iddrisu, you cannot tell me the GS which is under you, no. At the end of it, now Haruna Iddrisu sanka Kwara ya uba. Kabaka said you should just sack the headmaster. No, you will go further. You will keep pressing until this guy ends up in jail. So you, Haruna Iddrisu, this is a test for you. It is a test for you as the education minister. Prove to Ghana for say you are an education minister. It's not only about the flamboyance. It's not about you making it look like you need to prove to us that you're competent enough to still be the education minister. Make sure, follow up, and make sure this man is prosecuted. I'll remind you every day, Haruna Iddrisu, because small girl we and I girl we make us a small girl if we say at the end of make us a small girl if we say only 18 our SS and we know say SS for no 18 at this point say Accra we Haruna Iddrisu so anka your baba I don't think say you just say they should just sack the man. Tomorrow I want the education ministry to release a statement that you want prosecution to follow and that you are instructing the Ghana Education Service to initiate that. Honorable Haruna Iddrisu, tomorrow morning, your ministry needs to release a statement instructing the Ghana Education Service respectfully to make sure that prosecution has begun. This man who did this, because Ghana Education Service right now as we speak is under the Ministry of Education. Inti, you as the minister, this is your sector. Prove to Ghana for say you can be trusted. Inti, this headmaster needs to be prosecuted. And it can be done by you, the minister, making sure the law is adhered to. I am very fair and I've been very nice today. And you don't expect me to come back again, because when I come back the next time, I'm not going to be that respectful. Mr. Haruna Iddrisu, you can choose to ignore me. It's fine. I'll have my say. You can choose to pretend you didn't hear this. But we are here. And when the time comes for us to question you on this, I will lead the pack to question you. So tomorrow, I need the Ministry of Education to release a statement that the Ghana Education Service should move ahead with prosecution. They should move this case to the CID office and make sure this assistant headmaster is prosecuted and jailed. We have all seen what happened. The evidence is clear. I'll come back to this matter, and the next time I come back here, I'll pray and I'll hope, say, it will be applauding the education minister. Let's say, I'll come back and speak on this matter. And I'm praying, say, the next time I come, it will be a very, very decent commentary I'll have on this. And that at the end of the day, I'll be applauding the education minister. Maybe I have said it. And I've made it clean and clear. Now, there's this issue with yejina education. So no, mama yanka adie we quick. There's this issue with oh sorry, this is the assistant headmaster. School placement at MPP 4%. I'm making a meal out of it. Oh, school placement. School placement. Ebin see that. Ediana ekosi and the Ghana. Shedi see. Yes, school placement kwasi afo munye din. MPP kwasi afo munye din. School placement in the DNACA and the school placement I assume. Now, I don't even want to concentrate on the NPP. Now, my team told me, say, yenya one day, they discuss school placement and why we are having these issues with school placement. Now, when you ask me as an individual and somebody I have been there before, Mako GSSDB, Ako SSDB or Ghana, AVA. My classmate is Defensor Anyate, Emmanuel Money, and not Kemevo. I can give you so many classmates. During my time, Osesapon was the SP. I can give you so many mates of mine at Presec. My house was Engman House. I was in Dom A and I moved to Dom D. Everybody knows me as Kevin Taylor. Inti me call Presec, make sure I say. Inti when it comes to school placement, I'm a classmate for I am part of the Presec North America year group members, and I receive my emails every day. I completed in the year 2002. Yes, records are there. Inti, I am a Presec, I am an order day. Into ba no bo classmate ding, no abo room and war. No about a year udom, no about house, no about evidence. Chris Fifi is Chris Fifi. Yes, it's my classmate. It's my junior. Okoboy, I went to the same school, Okoboy. All my classmates are scattered all over the place. I want people to know that I am another day. I completed Presec. My bomb year, abo my classmates, abo my normal exams. Cyrus the virus, Mr. Kweku, easy. I'm a very nice person. Has a very wonderful wife who is also a lecturer, a professor, beautiful family. Cyrus, we watch it in Ohio. So, I want to speak on this school placement thing. Some people want to turn it into Adiebia Yefreno politics. Now, the school placement now muhunisano. the problem we are facing as a nation, one, it's all about infrastructure. Problem I face school placement problems and starting now. It has been there. But time as school placement be a big problem. When Nana Dankwe Kufuado opened the floodgates and said free SHS without thinking about the infrastructure. Secondly, parents do school placement problem they feel more entitled than the students. In the social school placement issues where it is more about the parents than the students. Utmi interview a parent. He feels say school way dear enisa me bako. Adentina system now from me banko to school way. So we check his system now. The school placement issues now is it is not even more about the young kids who are not even 18 years old. It's about how they feel and teach you they feel so entitled. Say, I was so omumbako ekrokasiemu school. Into so what checking school placement now? And Kwara your problem, your parents a problem. Now, when you take your time and you call them one after the other, and you question them why they are making noise about, I didn't tell me about the answers they will give you, you can see clearly say it is about how their reputation. Omunam vobekas na obani ko school bang. Now, Obaniko school bang, Obana Hefen Obeko school. It is about them than the kids. And with all due respect, some of them have genuine concerns, which has to be addressed. Because the moment you are using technology, you are using a system to, at the end of the day, put people in different schools. Definitely there will be some hitches somewhere. But majority of the people are who school placement, no problem. Majority of them, about them. So the school placement issues you are seeing on TV and on radio, it is more about the parents. It is more about them. It is more about their entitlement, what they want, than what a Kwara per se okoye. They are hearing their parents talk. Oh, amankwa. Oh, na mimi ni ake toba oko preseko. Me mane di oso moko presek. Oh, now refi from Pong. Me a prempe boy. A coin be also some banco prempe also co prempe. In Kwara, they listen to these things. They listen to these things to a point whereby Akrano himself school na obetuma school way and so ne papa mo any nipa bi oni omotino I have a conversation be creating impression be to Akrano team say any school way no obekwa onye nipa. Until now, the kids are also towing the line of their parents. Any omawo for guidance, any for omulidi omuno. It is so steady school placement problem now. The problem is not about school kids, no. The problem is not about the grades, no. The problem is about parents, no. It's about where they feel their kids should go to school. Inti debiano sa unya butana wuti omo na so omo ma interviews na omo kasa you can see clearly say this parent nimpe and yet the student nimpe ana akora nimpe ana say akora ni grade no de e woso okonya o the parent nimpe the parent nimpe no automatically ni say the ban pe inti then akwa to say so wa ma me de me awofo no me pa school placement system ne nye. And that is what we are facing in Ghana today. But at the end of the day, what brought us here as a nation? And the Ghana school placement, abe topic of the day. Nipebejin say they can make money out. Let me tell you, as far as we are still going to do grade A school, grade B school, grade C school, corruption in our placement will never end. I mean, can it be? And this cuts across me because international school through my life. You get what I mean? I know what this GSS thing means. Now for 4 more Saito, we know what they went through. And now for 4 more called Saito, they are doing better. They are doing well in life. For junior high schools, international schools, they are fucked up. At the end of the day, yes, your system no muda. Yes, your system nim sibia etie. Now, the problem I want Ghana is here no yet. The idea say your selected schools be say grade A. Your selected schools be say grade B. Your selected schools be say grade C. And some people in Ghana have made up their mind to say Sa me ba enya grade A. So we enya grade B. Now we enya grade C. School B ya dem ba no to bia no school ni nye. And let me tell you, as far as you Ghana, you will be a friend of grade A school, grade B school, grade C school, corruption in school placement. These kind of things you are seeing in Ghana, it will never end. Now, when did this start? Problem ni free. When you talk about school placement, I didn't know about bruchia. In Kwara school, high school, and I say person college. Why don't we get these kind of things? Why doesn't it happen? Because if we are using the same format, if you have to write your high school and then you continue to college and now whatever. Now, the issue is, Diana Emma, a lot of people at the end of the day, sa in some way, ni pebi ba, me ba nya school ha, na me ba also ko school ha. And remember, your parents be a otumi the first school be yama ne ba oko Western Regional and they a grade A school. Into the first school be a Pope Jones a grade A school. Now I be in the second school ewo ebia wa be yi Accra Academy and you see a grade A school and a Greater Accra. Now asako ebia Volta Region no akoyi ebia Mauli and you see a grade A school. Now I will follow Nigeria and say ne bani yi Pope Jones as the first school. Now, a Western Region, grade A school. Now, Osayi, a yedian, Oyi, second school, and also a Accra Academy, and also a grade A school, a Wakra. Now, Osako yi, a yedian, a Mauli, and also a grade A school, a Water Regional. Sanebano e nya a yedia, Pope Jones na. Nigerian say, I was send the banning a yedian, Accra Academy no. I don't know if you say, Accra Academy no, you were greater Accra no, and also a grade A school. Ni refi say Mauli now you know Water Regional a grade A school. So if you miss out on your first grade A, you automatically will miss out on your second grade A and eventually on your third grade A. And these are the things that I will phone in him. I know Obina and say, so you school be a D1 kaya. Now so you school be a Western Regional. For all you know, Pope Jones and now whatever school GSTS and I say whatever school and I say be Porter Girls. Let me go be all. Porter Girls, these are all grade A schools. But Nigerians say, oh, ye per second, when you're per second. Automatically, I was said the second school now, you know, or no in their mind, you know, I was said, the Porter Girls here grade 2, grade B school. It doesn't work like that. Now, why are we doing this? And why are we here? And why are we having all this confusion? This all at the end of the day, Oba Bruchira, Ebinuho, Adentra, it is because you first invest in your what? In your infrastructure. In your infrastructure. You bet me dinkoma e organ nyina ochina oma betena TV so. Now oba bruchira amanfo ko college. You don't go here say oma bo apeso ha. We ma bo apeso ha. We ma bo apeso ha. It doesn't work like that. The issue is that there are enough schools for people to choose. There are enough facilities. Now schools are Ghana's Nina Yaka say a grade A schools are and there a man for Nyakwain say one kwa untimi kono Presec a missionary school Pope Jones Nina a sorry for school Achimota Anglican school Boche majority of these schools you are calling grade A schools in your schools where you know and sorry na titi before no in the past no what these churches did was that so will be or teaching training college now or your presbyni now or your good teacher or your presbyteria, the church does everything possible to bring that Nepali to come and teach at a Presbyterian school. The churches had more influence on even the teachers who were teaching in the schools. The churches at a point were using a software to even teach some of the subjects. You could see said there was a gap when it comes to quality gaba. These schools we are considering today as grade A schools, you know, they had a lot of facilities. They had the gap and a buying schools wide because it was technically government school by private. Because they were being funded by missionaries. They were being funded by Ensori. They were being funded by Abrofo. They got a lot. All these schools had a lot of facilities. But over down, that's what we check it. The typical government schools there, they did not have that much facility because sorry no, omnom de ansori sika na esi school dying. So they can build 3 dining halls on one campus. They can build a science lab. They can build a dormitories like 20, 30. But the government schools, they don't have that luxury. It is also the so-called grade A schools are majority, about 80% missionary schools. They, at the end of the day, from the start, they had an edge over government schools. But why are we not changing how this works? Why are we not finding a way to make sure, say, Akorebia oti mi papa kroma eye ayeldo, aname mami krom eye denu. Sa akorano will get up and say, I want to go to school here. That was the thing ana NDC for person mo ye. Near to kroma, and another danko for the MPP 4. Ekache Ghana for so omoba besi 350 senior high schools. Senkomu si sa schools na. 350 senior high schools and come see schools no because some beto over 50 schools sir na NDC for see. This is what they said. Ekufado.
We plan a rapid and vigorous development of educational infrastructure in the first 18 months of the next MPP government. This will involve the building of 350 new senior high schools from scratch, whilst rehabilitating and expanding existing ones. Since these schools will be spread across the length and breadth of our country, this construction activity will immediately lead to an explosion of employment in all districts of our country.
Jimmy no, time no more power no. Omo say. Omo besi 350 senior high schools. Na die wo no, omo refurbish a die atwaso. It means he was acknowledging in his speech in opposition, say the NDC government, they were in the process of building e-blocks. Now, this is the secret. The reason why Nipa Bebre and Obako, me buy your school yanko, me buy your school yanko, because Obiadrin say presec of facilities. Obiadrin say prempe, ekurase prempe of facilities. Obiadrin say Boche is nice. Ura campus is beautiful. Obiadrin say Ura presec. I say we drew the US college be. Obiadrin say Ura my member girls school. Every girl sir. We Ura some London school be the weather, the way the color looks, the serene environment, how beautiful the girls look, how nice, how sexy and respectful they are, how trained they are. Obi Ura every girl sir. My member Marys. And so now, Obi Ramerisa, Obaka say, look at how beautiful these girls. Omu color netia, omu uniform, show omu skin, si be a dasso. Just say, sa schools, mama getting in and pass them. So, iti Obi Rasa schools, Obaka say, sa schools when you be Kobe. Now, they're not na Opokwa Jiman in power in 2015. Time and now, your education minister. They're not opesa oyen say. The NDC government wanted to create an avenue. Akwarebia choose school. They will see the schools in a pet. And it's a Mahama edit this e-block the formula by. Now the e-block no. Imagine say every secondary school and that's high schools by 80% of Ghana. Sending you to say e-block no pepe. Yeah, the bungalows account. Nina or dining halls. Nina walls are down. Nina looks the same. The facilities all look the same. The quality of teachers are the same. Do you think somebody will be sitting in a Senkregwa and telling you, say, oh, me pesa me bako presec? Because the facility now, what presec campus, no, the same facility, no, anybody was Senkregwa. In the time, NDC for the knowledge by say, yes, BB a friend e-block, a formula block, whereby a korebi or otetakrade, or ko GSS or oba takwa, obehu government SS na ohana, the what takrade no, and then the same color, the same facility, the same thing. Into Akrano, the was and Kregwano, or Peki Senior High Schooler, that kid is not intimidated by the Okohun St. Augustine's. And the Okohun or Presec campus. That was the plan and NDC for buying per se. Or we introduce you to Ghana. Because it is about facilities, internet and the school placement to be a bar, not any problem. Now, Obibeka say, teacher for the BOHA, or we good or Presec. Teachers omo Acheampong are good. Teachers are omo St. Mary's are good. Teachers are omo Ebri girls are good. Teachers omo the Porter girls are good. Nina is because most of these teachers omo for training college ba omo nyina pe baby a omasumbeto omo. Omo nyina pe baby a eho efe. Omo nyina pe baby a omo kwa eho ede. Eho ukwa ukochira dia wo mbre. Now imagine say schools are all Ghana nyina no. They are built the same as E-block. They all have teachers bungalows that looks the same. They all have science labs that looks the same. They all have buses that looks the same. They all look the same. Nobody will be sitting in a constituency in the central region and be telling you, say, I want to choose a school in the Volta region. Abra Onim say, the distance, ne papa and mama cannot afford. I think it's about time we started looking at this. Schools are grade B, grade A, grade B, grade C. And none of the corruption eba. And none of Emma teachers be crumple and to a hand pick it baby on some coach idea. And there, Oko training college. There are so many of these teachers who say, hey, now person child so person coach idea per sec. Hey, now person coach idea, oh, median kaminya, Acheampong kabepe. Why are they saying that? They are saying that because Uba Mikroma Yodwa. Abra Asebu Kwamankesi area. School na a senior high school no. Facilities no and yet as equal as what is in Presec. It is an carbine try and Nanka Kufuado Monkwasia Fowe at 2 E-block and so and Nanka every constituency. Because Messias, do the maths for me. Mayanya maths bua. How many kids and a omu free SS, JSS, Ako SS? This afternoon we did a math with my production team. If we are even talking about 450,000 children, that means to say 275 constituencies are Ghana no. CSC E-block and each E-block effort nipa 3,000. Each E-block effort something around 1,005 children. Yeah, it is each E-block effort 1,500 children. Now say every constituency 275 constituencies. You see E-blocks 2 are. It means we are going to have more children go to similar senior high schools, and we will even have reserve senior high schools. Right now, what is happening? And they say, there were a lot of kids put out as BEC students, go to senior high schools. We don't have enough facilities. Yatiana buying any private schools, senior high schools. I collaborate say, absorb some of the students because and then they create a double track. Now, why should we get double track in the first place? We are getting double track in the first place because we don't have enough facilities. And to me, I believe we say, at this point, to get rid of school, grade A school, grade B school, grade C school, the government should try every constituency, to me see 2 or 3 E-block. And what we need to do as a nation, and say, the E-blocks all should look the same. The Jomahama mono Jomahama can say, under his watch, no school will be built without teachers' bungalow. No schools will be built without science labs. So, Mumia making sure say the E-blocks comes as a package. Into say about a Bekwai constituency. Near 2 E-blocks or ho. Near about Madina constituency. Near 2 E-blocks or ho. None look the same. It has the same facility. They enjoy the same thing. Why in the better the ba every Bekwai say or the neighbor Madina say and or the Nico Srebuso Ongo school. Obiano befan ba every stream say Ombra Obuasi Emeko Senior High School. Now, people will be choosing schools in their constituency. And we also need to be looking at making sure, say, people choose schools within their zip code. People are supposed to choose schools in their zip code. That is the only way we can patronize the E-blocks. Into Sauti, Asenkregwa, o constituency, one as a 2 senior high school E-blocks for her. You need to pick those schools. In fact, you don't need to pick because those are your only options. Now, the standard should be the same because now we will not have teachers hand-picking or selecting which schools I want to teach. Because na E-blocker, the accommodation you get, Obi Chadi or Madina E-blocker, that person is enjoying the same accommodation. The kind of facilities are who enjoy, and I say amenities are who enjoy our Bekwai E-block, as on the campus, somebody at Bole is enjoying the same thing. So the teachers will be committed to teach evenly. Because right now, you told the teacher be so unquote class because school no so where them in class for Kwara, I'm not going to put effort. Sa teacher now in the back crowd, you must ponko. Adenya, oh, so we sika forma. I had the obo homodenya, sikeni bibehu. We need to start to set the standards the same. Muamotetia broche. When you say your kids go to school by their zip code, why is it so? Abena it make sure say every county, every zip code, there is a school that you should choose from. Me, I am closer to a school, a 2 minutes drive from my house. But my daughter goes to a school that is 10 minutes from my house. Because my school zip code, and I'm area zip code, it covers that school that is 10 minutes from my house. But the school that is 2 minutes from my house, my zip code does not cover it. Even though the school is closer to my house, my daughter cannot go to that school. My daughter needs to be in that vicinity. That zip code now, in Ghana, you can say in the constituency. We should do everything possible. Say what we call a standard education or senior high schools. Now schools be better and chebia. We need to start adapting the free e-block strategy. Now, this is the maths. We have 570,461 young young people senior high schools from BEC, junior high schools. 570,000. Now, 2024 for new. Every constituency be a e-block back be for 2,000 students. Now, say each constituency e-block be for 2,000 students. Now say 3 e-blocks in every constituency. Let's say minimum 2. That means every constituency you can accommodate 2,000 students. Now, why should that student who lives 500 miles from another school, why should that student free sa area or enko school or wa? I didn't think I or wano free wa embra per sec. Because the facility na wano, it is the same as the facility na woman kesim. Sa infrastructure na hono amenities na wano. Teacher bungalow no, the same teacher bungalow no, ebina woman kesim. The same teacher bungalow no, ebina otakrade. The same dining hall no. Into the schools should be built the same way if you want to maintain that standard. So yes, that thing we have introduced to say school way grade A, school way grade 2, grade B, grade C, about destroy your education. No, it's majority of parents now who every morning they are there. No, some of them want their kids to go to a school they want. It is not by the grade they could akorano. Nana the dankweku for an MP before be a flat gate no, and almost sang Kwara SS and a ebi broso and create double track. And omuja hokoye and ankwasiafo we are to a single e-block. So imagine anke kufuadu nkwasiafo we MPP ni Bawumia we mu anka omutumisi 2222 in each region sir. Anka we don't have an issue here because now what is going to happen and they say we will even have the extra schools sir and Korano yam bomb peso. But this is the situation. Who are broche? That's our person who call grade A school go and pay private. American yet, there's nothing like grade A school. A buying school, you are buying school. And the facilities are all the same. And they don't select teacher near or teacher near or into the issue is so person oba also by do college and also about high school America. Now they will feel say high school way, I don't like it. I don't like the reviews about it. Then you have to take your kid to a private school and pay from your pocket. Majority of the people cannot do that. So you end up going to the same high school in your community, in your zip code. Why don't you adapt that? Why are we making it so complicated? You want to for Ghana, omatina brochire, omunim said this is how it's supposed to be done. Odru Ghana, na okoshe teacher for so I want my kid to be here by force. As much as we are creating room for people to be corrupt. You creating corruption, no? You're creating room for people to be corrupt because teacher ni oto on case of sika breno but so time sika the brand ka say oh where the financial mamia ono so ye nipa so we nipa 10 obenya 7 on magi sika no until we are not supposed to even create that avenue ekrom ha. You don't go to any place to say mete eyadien mete Baltimore and na me person ko high school me person me ko no DC. No, you cannot be staying in Virginia and say your high school should be in DC. It should have a DC address. It doesn't work like that. You can't live in New York and say your high school address should be New Jersey. It doesn't work like that. And then you to me Ghana. Now obisa me we school e wa Sankregwa and so at the end of the day me person me ko senior high school e wa presec if you say matisa presec near papa. No, it doesn't work like that. You need to make sure sir baby a school no the government has made enough facilities available for you to complete your senior high school there. As much as free SHS in Kwasiafo we have say a system no ekufo the MPP for no ejimi omo no we need to continue better and I trust the NDC government to make things better. John Mahama said they are going to do everything possible to build a lot of the senior high schools, and the ones that they left behind are NPP for Jahono. They want to finish it. Se constituency be 2 e-blocks. Say the organ. I'm telling you for a fact. Because e-block, na sa e-block our teachers bungalow, our science lab, our bus bako, our BBL school nya, our walla. Now see the same e-block in Takwa. I don't think it's a Takwa Kwara because say ja e-block na it say the war edian akrano to come and live there. No, on yet. And people will now start to appreciate schools, We have allowed grade A, grade B, grade C. Akorebu you know say enya de obetume making o grade A. Enso na ne papa because ne papa join the Kobi. Because ne papa sorry oni nkofobia di nkomobi. Enti papa na ye bibia possible say osa akora ne ko persec. Obano so you know say he or she did not pass. Ni grade ni ndruo. Enti for us to take out all this nonsense, I believe say the government say MPP ba power. Na educhum. Hwankwasi ade bi oyeye. Ose wakwesi bibi friend STEM school. Why do you go build 1 or 2 schools and say we are STEM? The moment you do that, at a point, there are going to be a lot of kids and our parents or make us back STEM. Now, how are you going to manage those numbers? Are you now going to build another STEM senior high schools around the nation? Abra what e-blocks around the nation? STEM is a curriculum. You need to add it to what the kids are doing in school. You don't need to go build a block, a whole school and say, where there was Asante, your friend is STEM school. Wait, Jimmy. The moment you do that, then every single topic we introduce, you need to build a school for it. Because STEM on its own, it involves different kinds of topic that comes together as STEM. Now, you need to inculcate that in a curriculum of the kids. Into the schools that are available, whatever makes STEM, you need to supply to the schools for them to teach the STEM. You don't need to go build another building and say, where their friend is STEM school. In 2 years, 3 years, near 40,000 people, 70,000 people, no one has what STEM school. Now, how are you going to accommodate them? But you need to add the STEM to the curriculum. SS the Okwa or say the STEM account. Now the government looks at all these schools. A dear young man they be here, I'm a STEM now. Yeah, they be school no curriculum no. I be jinan na so. Or me here tools way. Or me here way. You add that. You add it to the school. Send a obi choose this school. Obi to choose presec. And it's not STEM no yeah. Obi to choose boche or yes STEM. Obi to choose Asenkregwa Senior High School. Now or yes STEM. That is what you do. But edutume Jimmy, any MP before Jimmy T, they think everything is populist. Oh, yensi STEM school. You build STEM school just for STEM. In 1 calendar year, unya nipa 100,000 someone yako STEM. How are you going to accommodate them? Now, e-blocks now we see any senior high schools na kenya ebola with Jimmy. Into that STEM school, it is not important. There's no need for that nonsense. We need to add STEM to the schools. Into kani mnyansa. America, a him fan wa beto say a STEM school. America, him fan wa to say school where there is STEM. But STEM is taught in every single school in America. About STEM, accoutrement omu here STEM no. The school is supplied with those things, and they use those to teach the kids. So why don't we do that? Acheampong is our education minister. Inti yanko see a whole school and say school where their friend is STEM. Yanko see na Asante memu. Inti yanko see STEM wa Asante memu. Inti adia chia ni asako see STEM ba ko water region. Inti yanko 300,000 nya person STEM. Ni o school mi ensapa. How are they going to go to school? Abra, if every senior high school was teaching STEM, at the end of the day, you don't need to have any backlog. Everybody can go to their senior high school. STEM will be taught there, and it will be part of the whole curriculum. NPP fue Jimmy. Debbie Amekache Ghana for say, you see, we have been doing this job for a long time. Sa NPP omo yankwasi afo, omo ngene. Omo ni munyansa. Yenny also almost for a very long time. But you see, when you sit down and analyze the way they think, they don't apply anything. All that they do is that, look at primary school. FQ, free compulsory universal basic education. JJ Run is introduced here. Now, what was the idea? The idea, and they say, Akorebia benya access to primary school. So it should be compulsory everywhere. Now, you making it compulsory means you need to put in a lot of investment. What is the investment? You need to build a lot of primary schools. At a point in our life as a nation, there were a lot of primary schools being built. And the MMDC, it is all in there, say, I will see more primary schools. So why do we don't even have enough senior high schools as a country, as a government? Now, STEM school. Who's STEM school for the STEM can be taught in any senior high school. The stupidity of STEM, the foolishness and obsession of STEM. Now, platform, you have built STEM school, a press school, STEM building this war, into STEM, and school. STEM, addition, STEM, a dying. STEM too can be taught like life skills. STEM can be taught as any vocation. STEM is skill. It is in STEM school because you was a way a STEM school. Your technical school. STEM should be taught as a curriculum. Mwe Jimmy. And I almost say sika. And yet and Uncle for Jimmy for 8 years. Almost abasi and tam to me more.